Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to export a photo in Adobe Photoshop to a higher resolution on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Photoshop. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Adobe Photoshop, open up an image that we are trying to export. Now we can go all the way to the navigation menu, click on File, Export, Export As. Let the image load. We then have to change the scale from 100% to, let's just say 500. If that doesn't happen, it will give us an auto-generated scale percentage such as 347% on screen. We can wait for that to load. And now we can see the image size will be 6.3 MB. So if we click on export, once that has been loaded, now you see it changed to 24 MB. Click on export. We will save this to the desktop. Save. And now wait for the image to export. We can now go to the desktop, open up the image that was exported in a high resolution. If we quit preview, right click the image, get information, and now we can see 25.2 MB the image. So we can now quit Photoshop. That's for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now.